guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a DIY rug video. I got these two pieces. I found the fur that I wanted at Hobby Lobby, and I got two pieces cut. I think it's 2 yards each one. It was about $40, so it's a very much cheaper way to get this size rug than spending, you know, hundreds of dollars. So what I have here is some, and it's still coming out, but some E6000 glue, and I'm going to glue the seams or whatever together in the middle so that it's one uniform rug. What I've just experienced was the corners of the fabric that I have were not working well. So what I'm going to do is flip it over to the back side and do it that way. Okay, so I have it flipped over to the other side. This is what the back of the fabric looks like. So I don't even think I have to add anything to make it like stay in place, like put down a rug protector or anything like that. I think it's good enough. So I'm going to glue the middle together. There was a little extra piece, so I had to cut that off first. So now I'm going to get to gluing. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. I have this left to do. One thing I noticed, oh my goodness, I just dropped it. One thing I noticed with this glue is that it continuously comes out like how it is right now. So you gotta kind of keep moving with it, because even when you stop squeezing doesn't mean it's gonna stop coming out. This is pretty much what it looks like on the back after it is glued together. Like I said, I'm gonna let it stay like this for the 24 hours for it to cure, and then I'll flip it over. But as you can see, it's already pretty much dried, and you won't be able to tell the difference that it's glued in the middle. So I will come back and show y'all the end result. So this is the finished product of the rug. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. I love it. It looks like one uniform piece. This is pretty much what my office is looking like right now. This desk was another DIY, so you'll be seeing that soon, as well as my, what do you call this, that that was a DIY as well, so y'all be seeing that too, that soon also. I want to get some sort of couch, or one that lets out into a bed or something like that. I want to get something to go right here. I have some activity center and a little bassinet for when my nephew comes to sleep over, that I showed in my previous video. These are some canvases that I did, also DIY, so that is going to be another video. So y'all stay tuned to the DIYs, y'all. We got some stuff coming. This is what the room looks like right now, since I am definitely working from home. So once it's complete, I'll show you guys exactly what it's looking like. But for right now, for this video, this is the rug, and I absolutely love it. It is so soft, great quality. It was doing some shedding at first, but when I did a really good vacuum on it, I haven't had any more problems. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one.